is as good as it gets. Time to be alive.
Yeah. When the coffee is ready to harvest, the color will be changed color to be. So this one is the. Yeah. Before we roasting, we need to wash first by hot water. After that, we dry first by under sun, and then we clean again. After that, we just remove the skin like this. So I need one by one. We do by hand. Wow. And inside I have like a second layer. The bean is not contact with the poo, so we just have it like this. Don't wake it up. Because it's like our pet animal. Oh. You train them to sleep there. Yeah. So they don't.
Sick of waiting for the right word to come to me. Feels like I'm wasting time away. Well, she's got her hair up top in a messy bun, 1,000 flyaways astray. The sun comes down, she takes off her golden crown that no one's meant to see. There's nobody else underneath. It's not that I feel ashamed, it's just anxiety. It's got the best of me. A ladder with 1,000 rungs.
spaghetti bolognese and one spaghetti marinara. Yeah, and muri pesto.
You should eat my mint.
So I'll try it.
Sure. There's no mint taste at all.
Really? Just like
It's more like the mint. If there is a spice of the